Python inbuilt bytes method returns a new bytes object which is an immutable sequence of integers between 0 to 256. Byte is an immutable version of byte array function. It has the same non-mutating methods and same indexing and slicing behavior. Let's check the docstring of bytes method. Bytes ? And run the cell. In the byte method, you will see that it constructs an immutable array of bytes from either it can be created using a iterable. So we create immute b1 is equal to bytes and we pass a iterable to it range 0, 10 will create bytes from 0 to 9 excluding 10. We print the value of b1. The difference between bytes array and byte is that you cannot mutate the values of the byte array created by the bytes method. For example, if b1 of 2 I want to change its value to 200, this cannot be done. Bytes object does not support assignment. Second method for creation of byte array using byte method, we check the docstring of byte method. Okay, bytes bytes ? If enter, you can create a text string encoding using specified encoding. Means you can use bytes method, pass it a string and the encoding to create a byte array for the string. If there is an encoding error, then you can pass optional parameter to handle the encoding error. For example, I am creating byte to b2 byte array using bytes function and passing an array Python programming. It will cover all the characters between 0 to 152 in UTF-8 encoding, and if there is a encoding error, then error message should be displayed. So this third parameter is optional in case of a string. We created a byte array in b2. We can print the byte array b2. Same in that case, you cannot mutate this. This is a byte Python programming and it is non-mutable. You can print its value but you cannot mutate it. Third syntax for creation of bytes is bytes shift enter. You can create a byte using a buffer object API. Means already you have a buffer of bytes and you create a new byte array for storing those buffers of byte. So you can create it. For example, in this case I am creating b3 from the function bytes, which have already stored byte information b2. From b2 we are creating b3. Click on the cell, run the cell, print b3 bytes created. Cross check the docstring of bytes method, and in that case last you can create a byte of integers between 0 to 256 wherein you are passing an integer argument and that many number of bytes will be created. For example, b4 is equal to bytes. You are creating 5 bytes. it will be initialized to 0 value or null value. Print before 5 byte elements, byte array contains 5 integer elements which initialize to 0. Okay. First check the docstring bytes question mark. The docstring, you have the method, directly call the byte method with empty bytes object. In that case it will create a empty bytes array which is immutable. Before bytes, opening and closing parenthesis, which is empty. Print before a byte array which is empty containing nothing. We check the methods which are available inside before called dir of before, shift enter. It shows all the methods. Thank you, thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button if you like the content. Refer this tutorial series to your friends. See you in the next video.